Oh, that one was so sweet.
Let's pick some violets.
There.
You can eat violets.
Can you make some violet tea out of this? And a little bit of water.
Okay.
Just a little bit of water.
It's boiling hot. It's already turning colors.
Can I
Look at that, it's turning blue. So we're going to get all the water out, the liquid here. You can use a strainer or you can just press it out like this. Okay, it's all cool and ready to go. Just going to cover the bottom of the plate here just a little bit.
We need some white vinegar.
Another name for vinegar is acetic acid. Just need a little bit. It's pink vinegar. It was blue and now it's pink because it's acid.
We need some baking soda.
Yummy. It's hard. Wow.
Stir it up a little bit. What color is it turning?
Blue. Wow. Look at that stuff. It's dark purple. It's blue now.
It's blue because it was a base. Foods that are acidic taste sour.
This is really sour. We want to make it pink. We'll use lemon.
More. It's turning red.
It's pink. I'm making a pattern.
It's pink because it's acidic.
We learned about bases and acids today.
We made tea from violet petals. This tea told us if it's an acid or a base.
This lemon is acid
And how do we know it's acid?
because it's sour.
And how else do we know it's acid?
Because it turned pink with this.